Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of construction technology. Discover how the latest advancements are transforming the way we build, from cutting-edge materials and automation to 3D printing and smart systems. We'll explore innovations that enhance efficiency, safety, and sustainability in construction. Join us as we showcase the technology shaping the future of building and revolutionizing the industry. Subscribe now and stay updated on the latest in construction innovation. Rokamat Piranha Cutter. The Rokamat Piranha Cutter is a powerful tool designed to simplify wall preparation tasks. Instead of struggling with traditional methods, this cutter allows you to create smooth, precise channels in wall surfaces with ease. These perfectly shaped grooves are ideal for laying electrical cables, plumbing pipes, or other installations that require a clean and accurate path. Engineered for efficiency, the Piranha Cutter not only speeds up construction work, but also reduces dust and debris, keeping the workspace cleaner. Its design ensures professional quality results, making it an excellent choice for electricians, plumbers, and builders who value precision and time-saving solutions. With the Rokamat Piranha Cutter, you can achieve flawless wall channels that make every installation job easier and more efficient. SolarStone Solar. SolarStone Solar Full Roof is an innovative solution that replaces traditional roofing materials with sleek solar panels, turning your entire roof into a powerful energy source. Instead of adding panels on top of an existing roof, this system integrates directly into the structure, offering both protection and energy generation in one seamless design. By covering the entire roof surface, SolarStone ensures maximum solar efficiency, capturing more sunlight than standard setups. It not only shields your home from the elements, but also reduces energy costs and contributes to true energy independence. With its modern design and long-lasting durability, SolarStone Solar Full Roof combines style, sustainability, and performance, making it a smart choice for the future of green living. Living building. Innovative construction methods continue to astonish the world, and this time, the Chinese company Broad Group has developed a technology that sets a new standard for speed and efficiency. The Living Building Assembly System has enabled the rapid construction of a 10-story residential building in just 28 hours and 45 minutes thanks to prefabricated components. The core elements of this system are factory-made modules built around a stainless steel frame. These modules come pre-equipped with all typical living space components, including insulation, electrical wiring, plumbing, glazing, ventilation systems, and finishing touches. For the flooring, Broad Group utilizes their own B-core slabs, which are made of 2 steel sheets connected by numerous short vertical tubes across the entire surface. This innovative design is claimed to be 10 times lighter and 100 times stronger than traditional construction methods. One of the standout features of the Living Building System is its adaptability and ease of transport. The individual components are sized to fit standard cargo containers, allowing for convenient transportation to almost any location worldwide using existing infrastructure. This versatility makes the system ideal for building earthquake-resistant, energy-efficient structures for various purposes, including residential homes, hotels, and hospitals. Moreover, these buildings can be disassembled and relocated as needed, adding another layer of flexibility. Broad Group asserts that their system is capable of constructing skyscrapers up to 200 floors. While the price of individual modules is not disclosed, it's noted that a 20-apartment multi-story building with a total area of 2,948 square meters was constructed for less than $3 million, excluding delivery costs. This innovative approach promises to revolutionize the construction industry with its speed, efficiency, and versatility. Mapaflex MS45. Mapaflex MS45 is a high-performance adhesive and sealant designed for projects where strength and flexibility are equally important. Known for its versatility, it bonds perfectly to a wide range of surfaces such as ceramic, stone, wood, concrete, and even metal, making it a reliable solution for both construction and repair work. What sets Mapeflex MS45 apart is its ability to maintain excellent elasticity, even in movement joints where surfaces expand or shift. It cures quickly, ensuring that the bonded area is ready for use in a short time, which saves both time and effort on the job. Durable, flexible, and easy to apply, Mapeflex MS45 is the ideal choice for professionals who need a sealant that delivers long-lasting performance under demanding conditions. Hadrian X Robot. Kicking off our compilation of incredible construction technologies is the Hadrian X robot, a game changer in the industry. This unique robot boasts an impressive capability of laying 1,000 bricks per hour, potentially replacing an entire team of workers and dramatically speeding up construction times. The system comprises a large telescopic robotic arm mounted on a 25-ton truck, with electrical equipment housed on a separate frame and control systems in a van. These components are interconnected and connected to a 32-amp power source on site. Before beginning its work, Hadrian X reviews the house's blueprints, creates a 3D model, and meticulously plans the construction. It determines which bricks need to be cut and where to reuse scraps, thereby reducing waste. The robot applies a special adhesive to the bricks and positions them with precision, guided by a laser. On average, Hadrian X can lay around 150 bricks per hour with a top speed of 200 bricks per hour. This allows it to place between 1,500 and 2,000 bricks in a single shift, far surpassing the approximately 500 bricks a typical bricklayer can lay in the same time frame. Lift build. The phrase "starting to build a house from the roof" perfectly captures the innovative approach used by Lift Build in skyscraper construction. Lift Build's groundbreaking technology flips the traditional construction process, allowing buildings to be constructed from the top down. This method involves assembling floors at ground level, then elevating and stacking them on the planned platform. It offers a potential alternative to the traditional, labor-intensive process of erecting steel frames, floors, walls, and other components vertically. But how does this work in practice? A prime example is the Exchange, a 16-story, 63-meter-tall building in Detroit's Greektown area. This project posed significant challenges due to its triangular shape and the complex surroundings, including city streets on all sides and the nearby people mover system. However, Lift Build's technology enabled the construction to proceed efficiently despite these obstacles. The advantages of this modular construction method are numerous. It simplifies and standardizes the building process, increasing efficiency and potentially saving time and money. Additionally, it enhances safety and productivity by reducing the need for work at heights and eliminating the use of tower cranes and additional equipment. This approach significantly lowers the risk of falls, a leading cause of serious or fatal accidents in the construction industry. As Lift Build's CEO, Joe Benamato, stated, "The implementation of our proprietary methods has now been proven to produce the advantages we were anticipating, and we are confident that the results achieved at the Exchange building will set the stage for broader commercialization of Lift Build." Vert Edge. The inventors of Vert Edge took home the Innovation of the Year award at STC 2023, but don't let that fool you into thinking they designed a high-tech construction robot. Instead, they developed a deceptively simple yet highly effective system for securing artificial turf. The problem they addressed is a common one. Artificial turf often abuts tiles, fences, and other obstacles, creating challenging joints that can be difficult to manage. That's where Vert Edge comes in, a straightforward slat system that allows you to fold and glue the edges of the turf, much like installing carpeting. The beauty of VertEdge lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's designed to provide 100% reliability, ensuring that the turf stays securely in place. This system is particularly suited for public areas, as the slats are invisible, resistant to rot, and the fasteners are discreet. The result is a clean, professional finish that enhances the overall appearance of the space. For those interested in a seamless and durable solution, a set of 10 pieces along with a pack of adhesive is available for $73, covering an area of 7.5 meters. It's an elegant answer to a common problem, making it a worthy winner of the award. Road printer. Say goodbye to manual labor with Road Printer, a revolutionary system that automates road construction. This innovative machine works by loading pavers on one side and producing a walkable pedestrian zone on the other, ready for immediate use. Roads built with Road Printer are not only more efficient, but also 4 times stronger than those paved manually, ensuring high-quality results. The Road Printer has a working width of up to 6 meters and offers a variety of block options and designs, allowing for customized road patterns. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The team has also introduced the Road Printer Eco, the first all-electric machine of its kind. This eco-friendly version is 3 times faster than its predecessor, experiences fewer breakdowns, and can even help you qualify for grants from the Dutch government. With Road Printer, the future of road construction is here, offering efficiency, quality, and sustainability all in one remarkable system. ICF system. The ICF system, or insulated concrete forms, is revolutionizing the construction industry by offering a modern, efficient way to build highly energy efficient and durable structures. ICF blocks consist of 2 layers of insulation with a cavity in between, into which concrete is poured. Once the concrete cures, it forms a solid, high-strength wall with exceptional thermal and sound insulation properties. The advantages of the ICF system are manifold. It significantly reduces heating and cooling costs due to its superior insulation capabilities, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The system is also fire-resistant, moisture-resistant, and capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions, providing long-term durability and safety. Additionally, ICF walls offer excellent soundproofing, creating a quieter indoor environment. Construction with ICF is efficient and straightforward, as the blocks are lightweight and easy to handle, speeding up the building process. The system's versatility allows it to be used in various types of projects, from residential homes to commercial buildings and even high-rise structures. By combining energy efficiency, structural integrity, and ease of construction, the ICF system is setting a new standard in building technology, making it an attractive option for modern construction projects.